Want to apply for the M&S Bank Shopping Plus credit card? Well, here's a fast and easy guide. First, make sure you're eligible. You need to be at least 18 and a UK resident and have a reasonable credit history. Keep your income and address history ready. It will speed up things. Now head to the official M&S website and find the Shopping Plus credit card page. Take a moment to check out the perks, 5 times points at M&S, bonus points on your first spend, and interest-free periods. When you're ready, click apply now and fill in your personal and financial details, name, address, date of birth, uh, and income. M&S will start with a soft credit check, which won't hurt your score. If that goes through, you'll proceed for a full application. Usually get an instant decision. Once approved, your new card should arrive by post in around 5 to 7 working days. After activation, you're all set to earn M&S points on every shop and enjoy cardholder benefits. That's it. It's simple and really straightforward. If you found this video helpful, well, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Until then.